Gang. Gang, gusto mo na baby, gusto mo punta kay mama? You wanna go to her? You wanna go to mama? You wanna go to mama? You wanna go to her? You wanna go there?
Alright, I think all the performers did it the best because mommy sang. No?
You take
One generation comes to another. And we heard, in Tagalog, we call it tubo,
Take picture with
interest,
Lola. Take picture with Lola.
in the capital. Alright, so that is the end of our first set. We will see more of our celebrants later.
Ma. Smile.